Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Vic, back at it again, trying to create another banger for you guys. And today we're at Caffeine and Octane with the bros out here. We're gonna check out some sweet cars for you guys. I haven't came out to this show in like a minute. It's been hella cold, but today it's supposed to be some good weather, so hopefully we'll find some dope cars for you guys. Let's go check them out, alright? There's a nice lowrider truck, old school. It's so cool. That's nice. I'm pretty sure it's bagged. Looks nice interior. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I dig it. That ain't nice. He got LS3. He's got a lot of space in this bad boy.
He needs those wheel woods, man.
Yeah, this thing's clean. Yeah, he definitely needs those wheel woods.
Did you?
That's all.
I put the.
Yeah.
Man, whoever does this.
What? The wheel woods? He's got the six.
Details on build.
What the heck? How do you do that? Never heard of that. This thing's nice though.
Where is it?
It's got a nice interior. Anything in the trunk. He has a little sound system in the trunk. Not bad at all. That dude rolling up in here. It's clean. Got the battery in the back too. Dang. I like the tires too. Spotless. This is a nice Supra. I don't know if I'm digging the body kick, but it's clean. The wheels and the seats, definitely. And it's right-hand drive. Oh shoot.
Then there's this boat next to that. Selling it.
You selling it? It's clean, but I'm not digging the holes.
Look at that drip.
The wheels and the...
That's why he's selling it.
Yeah,
If you don't like it, buy it.
it's rice in a box, but in a Supra. But then there's this R33 over here. R32. This thing's clean. Hey, he got the Willwoods. We twins. Oh shoot, he got the quality. Got some quality parts in this thing.
The cab now.
This thing's clean though. That interior is extremely nice. Dang, this is clean. I don't even like trucks like this. My dad would love this, huh? Tell you, my dad would love this bad boy.
Gosh,
And he's got some little back brakes, which I don't have. Those freaking calipers, not the calipers, but those rotors are huge.
They are huge.
That thing's clean. That color's nice too. That thing is sick. I'm not sure exactly what car it is, but he got Brembo back brakes, boy. Can't even see them things. Oof. Yeah, them things nice. You got the rounds, bro. It is a stank. It is a Mustang. It is a Mach 1. Woo. That thing's clean. Huh? Yeah, it is. He did. Boy, that ain't nice, bro. That ain't clean for real, huh?
It's stupid.
Oh yeah, he's got this thing right here is worth.
He's got a newer
Ah.
motor on a freaking.
Was that the tank?
Whew. Couldn't even spit out a price on that bad boy. Thing's nice as free. Yeah, the sun's shining. That red though, there is clean. Ferrari. Those brakes and those rotors are humongous. Bye. Carbon all around that motor. Damn, that carbon in itself is like 12 grand. That's crazy. Sick.
What's up, guys? I'm taking over this vlog.
What are you doing? Your face. Look, I got you. Alright, go.
What's up, guys? I'm taking over this vlog.
Tell you about to do better than me. Let's go.
I'm about to do better than you.
Alright, go. Show them the rides, Gustavo.
Man, look at this Lambo. This crap looks fire. He got the brakes too.
Just such rolling back.
Looks cool. Another Lambo. We got the Ram grill. We got the inside carbon fiber.
I really hope that was a Bioshock reference. Huh? No.
Bag is nice color.
What's up, guys? He has a bag and a nice color. Man, this is fire. He also got the rims.
My first time here. I didn't know how to like it.
He's also inside. And his YouTube.
Motor.
And his motor. Carbon fiber bag. We got the RDR8 out here. Freaking bone like it's nothing.
Alright, fam. So what'd you think about his vlogging skills? You can rate it. Did he do better than me? You know, I don't know. I'm pretty good at it, you know, but this man right here, he gonna beat me good. Yeah, just go ahead. Who won that vlog battle right there? You know, it wasn't really a battle, but you know, we made it into one. So I say he's better. You know, he was a little nervous, so it was cool. First time. That ain't stock. Oh, yeah.
He's got a mini turbo now.
He got mini turbs. He got the turb skis, bro. Yeah, I see it. Got the turb ski with the rotary. That ain't clean though, for real. Looks stock is free.
Ooh, girl. Totally.
Totally. He's got the tongue out. But they got the Prelude over there. That thing's pretty clean too. That Prelude right here. That's nice. Static game or bag game, bro? That tuck is ridiculous in the back end. He's got stock wheels. That tuck's insane. I couldn't do the tucks, man. I tucked a little. He said, load life. I got Purple Supra. But nah, this is for you. And it's right-hand drive. Automatic, but it's cool though. Dang. That's what's his name? It's like a 700 horsepower, 370. That dude be killing everybody on the street. Stock is super. I've seen in a minute. That ain't clean though, for real. It's a nice little dirty red. I dig it. You got nothing fancy to it. Thing's clean. Shoot, I'd run it. And he got a stock exhaust. Look at that. Whoa, the thing clean. Alright, we need to start making some YouTube money because I'm trying to buy an S2000. So you guys, like, you know, you guys need to subscribe like as soon as possible so I get this 1K, make this money, and I can get S2000 as well. So let's do that, John. Subscribe now. Yeah, I don't know whose little R6 this is, but I think hella clean. You know, pretty much simple. Interior's nice, huh? The interior's hella nice. It's clean. Alright, this thing's clean, you guys. I'm not good with old school car naming, but this thing's nice. It's a Challenger, but like the actual full name of it. Thing is nice. That interior's stupid clean in this thing. Woo. You want to see one of these like that in that mint condition? Boy, that thing nice. Got an S2000. Honestly, I don't think I'd be able to drive one because I'm short as free. Hey, clean though. Stock. But he got some torn up seats over there. Stock is a mug. Oh, look at S2000s. Oh, dang, but is that an S2K, bro? Somebody need to hurry up, subscribe so I can get 1,000. I get some monies. And I'll buy me an S2000. That ain't clean. That one's clean as free. That one's boosted. And that red though. That That red is nice. Ooh, got some Ray wheels. Interior is mint. Got some red knitting in that thing. Ooh, spoons. That thing is clean. If I had S2000, that's how it's gonna look. He's got the little wing right there. Hey, it's clean. It's nice. 6?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I got another one of those. S2K squad over here. Uh-oh, another S2000. I like the wide body on them. What you guys think? Wide body or no wide body for the S2000? That thing clean. Oh, he got some rays in that bad boy.
He didn't put any holes in there.
See, I like that little tuck in right there.
This over here he did.
Damn, that's at least, what is that, like 10-inch wide wheels? Hey, nice. That wide body for sure. That's sick as freak. Yeah, bro, nice Subaru. I about to say we would be right behind it. Straight victims out here. Getting hurt. Ear drums are gone. We're all deaf. Send the van for the boys. Okay.
Got it, homie. Got it.
Oh, shoot. Hey, we like it. He's got the newer one. Hey, this thing got brakes, boy. Yeah, boy. Your shot's gone. Got the cop over there chilling. He said, not today. Not today. Draw the boat.
He got
my cup. He got my cup.
or no camera.
Alright fam, I hope you guys enjoyed that content. Today it was a beautiful day for Caffeine Octane. That's mainly why I came. It's too nice of a day not to come, and I missed like 2 of them, but I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much, and we got you catch you guys at the next one, which might be Riverside. We'll see you later.